In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for a content calendar. By the end, you'll have a simple, flexible system to plan content, see exactly what's scheduled, and keep your team aligned. Start by opening Airtable and creating a new table. Name it Content Calendar so it's easy to find later. You'll see a few default columns. We're going to tailor these to fit a content workflow. Rename the first column to title and set it to a single line text field. This is where you'll put the name of each piece of content, like a blog post, headline, or a video topic. Keep titles short but descriptive so they're easy to scan in calendar view. Next, add a publish date field and choose the date type. This is the date your content goes live. If timing matters for your schedule, enable time. Otherwise, a date-only field keeps things clean. Pick a date format you like and stick with it for consistency across your team. Add a status field using the single select type. Create options for draft, scheduled, and published. You can assign colors to each option to make them easy to recognize at a glance. Use draft while you're working, switch to scheduled once you've picked a publish date, and finally move it to published when it's live. This simple workflow helps you see progress without overcomplicating things. Now add a type field, again as a single select. Include options like blog, social, and video, and add any others you regularly produce. Categorizing content makes it easier to balance your calendar and spot gaps. Finally, add an assign to field using the collaborator type. This lets you assign each item to the person responsible for creating or publishing it. If you're working solo, it still helps you track ownership and workload. With the table set up, switch to calendar view. Create a new view, choose calendar, and when prompted, select publish date as the calendar field. This tells Airtable which date to place each record on. You can toggle between month and week views depending on how detailed you need to be. To schedule content, either click on a date in the calendar to create a new item or add items in the grid view and they'll appear automatically on the correct date. Drag and drop items on the calendar to reschedule quickly. Airtable will update the publish date for you. As you work, keep the status updated so the calendar reflects what's coming up and what's already out. That's your streamlined Airtable content calendar, ready to keep your planning clear and on track.